Want more leads, email subscribers, or sales on your WordPress website? Pop-ups can help if you use the right plugin. Today, let's look at 3 powerful WordPress pop-up plugins you should know. Bloom. Bloom is a popular email opt-in plugin by Elegant Themes. It helps you create beautiful pop-ups, fly-ins, and inline forms. You can trigger pop-ups based on time delay, scroll, or after commenting. Bloom is perfect for bloggers and content creators who want more email subscribers without complex setup. Opt-in Monster. Opt-in Monster is one of the most powerful pop-up and conversion tools available. It lets you create smart pop-ups using exit intent, page targeting, and user behavior. You can show different pop-ups to different visitors, which helps increase conversions fast. Best for business websites, marketers, and online stores. Pop-up Maker. Pop-up Maker is a flexible WordPress pop-up plugin with lots of customization options. You can create pop-ups for forms, announcements, videos, or offers. It works well with contact forms, shortcodes, and themes. Great for users who want full control inside WordPress.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.